Hello friends, welcome to Computer By. In today's Autocad learning tutorial, I am going to show you how to manually input coordinates. And we are going to practice that by making some objects like square, a hexagon and an octagon. But before that, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. We already know that a coordinate equals distance and angle. So by entering angle and distance, we will create some objects. In the first, we will create a square like this. For this, I am going to take line command. I entered L and then I clicked. And at the right side you can see that there is a table where I entered all the values to make this square. So after entering L enter, now I clicked and I'll simply enter those values. The first one is at the rate of 10 feet with the angle of 0. So I'm going to enter that at the rate of 10 feet with the angle of 0, and I'll press enter. After that I press enter. Now you can see that a line has been drawn. Now I'll simply enter the second value, then the third, and then the fourth, or instead I can press C instead of the last value. Now I'll enter the second value at the rate of 10 feet with the angle of 90, enter. Then third at the rate of 10 feet with the angle of 180, and then the last one at the rate of 10 feet with the angle of 270, double enter. You can see that a square shape has been created. Now let's make a six-sided shape by entering manually the coordinates. For this I am going to use this table. There are 6 values entered here. Simply click L enter at the rate of, and I am going to enter 5 feet value. You can manually choose whatever value, but continuously put the same value so that the shape is perfect. At the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 0, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 60, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 120, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 180, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 240. And now as I have written here, I'll press C instead of the last input, so I'll press C, enter. The object has been closed and it is created a six-sided. Now let's make an octagon. We'll make this shape. L enter at the rate of 5 feet and angle of 0. Then at the rate of 5 feet with angle of 45, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 90, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 135, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 180, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 225, at the rate of 5 feet with the angle of 270, and then I'll press C to close this object. C, enter. You can see that an octagon has been made. You can practice that for perfection. Thank you.